Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to go through a question on compound interest. And the question we have reads, Charo deposited 50,000 shillings in a fixed deposit account for a period of 2 years. The bank pays compound interest at the rate of 12% on half-yearly basis, or we can say semi-annually. That is after every 6 months. Calculate the total interest Charo's investment earned in that period. We know the amount deposited is 50,000 shillings, and that is our principal. Next, we know this amount was deposited for 2 years, so we can calculate the number of times the interest was computed. And to get the number of times interest was computed, we have been told that in a year, interest is calculated or computed 2 times. So in 2 years, it will be 4 times. That is the first year we have 2 interest period. The other year we also have another 2, making it the total of 4 interest periods. That means interest will be calculated 4 times within the 2 years. And we are told the rate of interest for 6 months, it is 12%. We know, since this is compound interest is calculated. Compound interest is calculated using the formula, that is amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r divided by 100, everything raised to power n. So amount is going to be equal to, our principal is 50,000 into 1 plus r, which is 12% over 100. We raise it to power 4. From there now we know this is going to be equal to 50,000. We multiply by, that is 1 plus 12 divided by 100. This is the same as 12 divided by 100, which is 0.12 plus 1, giving us 1.12. We raise it to power 4. And this one is going to give us a total of how much? That is 50,000. Open the bracket, we have 1.12, close the bracket, then we raise everything to power 4, and this one is going to give us 78,675.968, which is approximately 78,676 to the nearest whole number. This is the total amount of money that is generated after a period of 2 years. So the question we are working on is calculating the total interest, and we know amount is usually given by principal plus interest, and therefore for us to get the interest, we are going to take the amount minus the principal. The amount we have is 78,676 minus the amount we invested of 50,000, and this one is going to be equal to, 28,676 Kenya shillings, and that becomes the answer to this particular question. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel